We were involved in Future Health Hackathon last year, and that was the first time we'd seen the power of such an event. Because there's now a real focus on public health in Scotland, we thought it'd be great to hold another hackathon, this time focusing on the use of data in health to inform that public health debate.
If I was choosing 3 words to describe this event, I think I would go for vibrant,
exciting,
electric, illuminating,
fun,
Enthusiastic,
fascinating, energetic,
buzzing.
We've got around about a dozen staff in our organisation taking part.
It's a big learning and development opportunity, and also working with people from industry with other skills to create something new to answer some of the big questions around improving public health.
So I'd really like to see innovative uses of the huge wealth of data we hold in Scotland.
Publishing data openly is a means by which you foster, you facilitate, you promote innovation.
What's amazing is how much has been achieved in the space of a morning.
I've worked in data and intelligence for more than 30 years. So yes, we're very much in a supportive role, but I think more and more the data, intelligence, insights is becoming an equal partner, working with healthcare professionals to improve health, to improve well-being.
I'm really here today to get a bit of a feel for how these kind of hackathon events work and the difference and the contribution they can make towards healthcare innovation and the way it develops in this country. So we've sponsored one of these events before, which Product Forge ran back in November. I think what I would like to see is for teams just to address one single simple problem and come up with a solution that will work in the real world and that will actually make a difference to people.
This is my first time at the hackathon to understand what sort of technical skills I can pick up from this huge talent group here is a big thing for me. It's not about winning, it's about exploring what skills you and other people have around you and having some fun.
In the next wee while, as we look at these presentations, I'm really hoping there's some good ideas emerging that will benefit public health in the future. So I'm really looking forward to it.
Now, in the end, we didn't manage to come down to just one winner, so the 2 winners this evening are DocMetrics and Cadaz Vialact.
DocMetrics we thought was really tangible in terms of being a goer and we could see how it would work. Vialact, we thought that was a really good commercial model. I was really pleased to see that they picked up on some of the really big public health issues alongside thinking about what data and technology could do with them.
So I was really unconvinced that I was going to even stay and didn't really know what the event was about. But it's been the best opportunity to meet new people and focus on something that you really believe in. Getting to know these guys, and they're amazing people and from different backgrounds, and I never meet them otherwise. So I'm just really thankful for this whole thing. It was a great experience.